Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Arbi ki Tari or Shorbe Wali Sabzi, that is taro roots curry with gravy. Taro roots are cooked in many ways in India. We are making its gravy variety as it is cooked in Punjab. It is very delicious curry with gravy which is ideal to be served with naan roti or parantha. We are making this curry with 300 gram taro roots. Use a sharp knife to scrub off the thin peel from all taro roots. If your skin is sensitive towards taro, then apply little mustard oil on your hands or wear plastic gloves. For protection from itching or irritation, sprinkle peeled taro with 1 teaspoon normal wheat flour and toss well to coat all pieces evenly with flour. Wheat flour helps to prevent slipping of taro from hands during washing because peeled taro roots are a bit slippery to hold tight. Thoroughly wash all peeled taro roots under cold running water, then slice all into small buttons. Keep aside for a while. Put your pressure cooker on medium heat with 2 or 3 tablespoons cooking oil or ghee in it. Add 1 teaspoon jeera, that is cumin seeds, and when cumin starts to crackle add peeled and grated 2 medium-size onions. Stir and saute for 6 to 8 minutes. Or saute until onion is well browned. Reduce heat to low. Chop 1 fresh green chili into onions. Adding green chili is absolutely optional. Also add 1 teaspoon ginger paste or grated fresh ginger root, or you may add minced garlic or use ginger garlic paste if like to. Increase heat to medium. Stir and saute for another minute, then reduce heat to low. Season onion mixture with 1 teaspoon or to taste salt, 1/4 teaspoon or to taste red chili powder, 2 teaspoon dhania powder, that is ground coriander seeds, 1/2 teaspoon haldi powder, that is ground turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. We will add more garam masala after taro is cooked. Stir and saute for 1 minute on low heat, then add 3 or 4 heaping teaspoon of plain dahi, that is curd Oregon yogurt. Stir to mix onion mixture well with curd and increase heat to medium. Stir and saute for 3 to 4 minutes or until grease is released from onion masala mixture. Add sliced arbi pieces or taro root buttons into pressure cooker and mix well into masala. Now pour 2 cups or more water into pressure cooker. Amount of water depends on the required consistency of gravy. Increase heat to medium-high. And stir all well, then close the cooker with its lid. Cook at medium-high heat until cooker whistles. Reduce heat to low and leave at low heat for 10 minutes. Cooking at low heat in cooker saves fuel. Turn off the heat after 10 minutes and allow cooker to release its steam pressure on its own. It might take 10 to 15 minutes. Remove lid from cooker after pressure is released. Sprinkle with 1 teaspoon crumbled kasuri methi, that is dried fenugreek leaves, an additional 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. Stir to mix well, then transfer into serving bowl. Serve delicious Arbi ki Tari or Shorbe Wali Sabzi, that is taro roots curry with gravy accompanied with naan roti or parantha. Enjoy! We hope that you liked the recipe. Please write your views in comments column below for sure. Your feedback means a lot to us. Thanks.